Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Assistive Touch on Android. If you have ever seen that floating button on iPhones and wanted something similar on your Android, this is for you. So what is Assistive Touch? Assistive Touch is a floating button that helps you control your phone easily without using physical buttons. You can use it to go back, open the home screen, take screenshots, control volume, and more. On most Android phones, Assistive Touch does not come built in like on iPhones, but no worries. You can download it easily from the Google Play Store. Go to your Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, navigate to your search engine, and type Assistive Touch for Android. Hit search. You will see multiple apps. Choose one with high ratings and install it. Once the app is installed, open it. Okay, select a language. I'll go with English. So now it will ask for some permissions to work properly. Tap OK. Toggle on Assistive Touch. Okay, now the Assistive Touch button should appear on your screen. You can move it anywhere. Tap on it to see the quick menu. Okay, let me toggle on the allow permission for it to change system settings. Now again tap on it to see the quick menu. It may have options like lock, favorite, main, setting, home. You can also go into the app settings and customize the shortcuts based on what you see the most. You can change the size, color, or transparency of the button. You can set it to hide automatically when you don't use it. Some phones like Samsung or Xiaomi may already have their own version of Assistive Touch built in. Check your settings under accessibility and go to interaction or touch assistant. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and leave a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.